Hi friends, welcome to Tackleknowledgechannel. So today let's see another topic in data entry operator, which is MS Excel. Okay, so we will be learning about the MS Excel in this video. Okay, so now let's begin with the class MS Excel. What is a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is a program which displays data in rows and columns. This data can be used for a variety of purposes: accounting, budgeting, charting or graphing, financial analysis, scientific applications. Spreadsheets let one to view data visually using the charts graph option. Spreadsheet allow creation of timelines, interview, comparisons, budgets. Graphical representations. The Excel interface also has been replaced with ribbons. The Office button and the Quick Access toolbar can be seen here too, and they perform the same functions. Spreadsheets have various functions that allow text editing, like moving, copying, deleting, altering, adding while text is being entered and displayed. Using formulas to express mathematical relationships between cells. Altering the document format such as type, size, line spacing, margins, page length and so on. Features of spreadsheets. Arranging data using the hide, unhide feature. Calculations using functions. What if calculations to manage large data and view results immediately if changes are made to any one factor.
Database functions to arrange, store, filter and sort data. Dynamic charts which are automatically updated if any changes are made to the data. It is a program which allows one to enter numerical values or data into the rows or columns of a spreadsheet and to use these entries for calculations, graphs and statistical analysis. So that's all for today class, friends. So if you like my video, please kindly like, share and subscribe it with your friends also. Okay, in the next class we will be learning about the MS Access. Okay friends, thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.